Today I have a collective haul for you of 2 more contemporary designer handbags, some Swarovski earrings, a Kate Spade small leather good, maybe some other things I've picked up. I gotta go through and see what I haven't opened in a while. But if you are interested in that, please go ahead and stay tuned. This is my first STAUD bag I have ever purchased, and it's so cute. I cannot wait to open it. This outfit I'm wearing may look familiar, and that is because I'm trying to film 2 videos for you guys today. If you have not yet checked out the unboxing of my vintage Chanel bag from the 90s, then go ahead and check that out. This is my jumbo single flap I have been looking for so long. I found a really great deal on one on eBay, and I'm so excited. So check out that video if you are interested in that. Let's go ahead and get into some of the things that I have picked up in the last few months. So first things first, several months ago actually, Kate Spade had released a New York collection, and I don't know if you guys follow Urban Bling, I believe is her name, on Instagram. I'll put it up on the screen. She like Strauss's luxury bags, Chanel bags, wallets, everything you could possibly think of. She is the most amazing artist. I am obsessed with her Instagram page. She has been killing it with the reels lately, but go ahead and check her out. Anyways, she Straussed one of these and I was like, oh my gosh, what is that? And it was from the Kate Spade New York collection. I went and looked at the collection. I didn't like love anything else, but I thought this was the cutest little accessory. New York is obviously near and dear to my heart. I spent my college years there and the beginning of my career there, and I just love it. So I thought it would be super cute to get something from this collection. And I picked up this little 𝒩𝓃𝓃 card holder. So this is from Kate Spade in New York. This is my first Kate Spade accessory. I don't think I own any Kate Spade bags. Gosh, I'm racking my brain. I don't think I do. I've definitely owned shoes in the past. I love Kate Spade because I love their cute, quirky stuff. Like they did a collaboration with 𝒩𝓆𝓈 Bakery. I love baked goods, and they had like the cutest stuff. I like a lot of their like cute, quirky collections. So this is adorable. It is yellow leather and it has this sort of glittery blue, if we can get it to focus. And it says the Metro card, Kate Spade, New York. And then it has card slots in the back here. It is gold hardware. Got a little Kate Spade logo there. And then inside is a little card slot, and there's a keychain option and a few little details inside here, but super cute. So it has 3 card slots, 1, 2, 3, and then plenty of space inside. So this is an adorable little accessory. It also unzips fully on the side there, so you can have much better access inside. So really cute. I will look up how much I paid for this and put it on the screen, but I think it was definitely affordable. Now let's talk about Swarovski. My mom has actually always liked Swarovski. There is a local Swarovski store in our mall, and I used to get a lot of jewelry from there when I was in like high school and stuff like that. Then it sort of like, you know, fell off. I'd rather have real diamonds, of course, but I do love sparkly shit and I can't, you know, afford to buy a real diamond. So Swarovski, I think, is like the second best option. They have a new creative director, and the new collection stuff is adorable. It is super cute. It is super modern. It is super trendy. I just loved it. And I noticed this back in July. So if you've watched my how to save money on luxury beauty products video, you'll know that I am a deal seeker and I'm always looking for ways to get like a discount in things. If a discount exists, I'm going to find it. So I wanted to order these earrings from Swarovski. They're so freaking cute. They looked like they were sold out on the Swarovski site. I couldn't find them anywhere. I was Googling Swarovski retailers and I found this website called Crystal Classics, and they had an entry like discount promo for 10% off. I used that promo on these earrings. They were originally $250 or $240 or something like that. I used the 10% off coupon. I ended up paying $194 for these, and I ordered these, you're not gonna believe this, on July 9th of 2021. They arrived this week. Yes, I paid $194.19 and they arrived on January 4th. They took 6 months. I did follow up with the site many times. I knew they were sold out everywhere. They kept saying they were having shipment issues out of Europe. They're coming from Europe. They would say they're coming in October, then they said they're coming in November. And then finally I was like, you know what? I'm gonna have to make the decision to either give up and cancel them or just wait it out because I really want them. I could not find them on any other sites, so I decided to just, you know, wait it out. I waited 6 months for these earrings, you guys. They are finally here. They are so cute though. I'm gonna show them to you and then I will try them on. So here's the box. It's been so long since I bought something from Swarovski. Yellow box with the little swan on it. So here they are. You've got, well here, let me show you the box. It says Swarovski inside. So you've got an ear cuff on this side. And then this little earring goes on the bottom of this here and then a cuff for the top of the other ear. So let me go put these on and show you. Okay, I am back. These are the cutest earrings ever. So here is the cuff on this side. So you put it in at the bottom there, then you cuff it around the ear. I apologize if they're a little red. I just snap them on. And then here's the other side. So you have one earring down here and then the cuff up here. How cool are these? How cute. I am just obsessed. They're definitely worth the wait. I actually don't even know if you can find these anymore. Clearly Crystal Classics just got them in stock, so I'll link them. Maybe they're available. I also use a 10% off coupon. Also, if you have sensitive ears like me, my ears do get irritated with costume jewelry. I just bought this jewelry shield stuff. It's kind of like clear nail polish, which I've heard you can paint on your earrings too, but I will be putting this on. I'll link it down below. I've used something like this in the past. I will let you know how it goes. But that sort of prevents it from getting like irritated and itchy. So jewelry shield. Let's get into the bags. So this bag I purchased on Black Friday. So I've been wanting one of these bags for a while now. I am always too late. So this is, you guys haven't watched my Telfar videos yet, go check those out. But this is another black designer brand. It is actually by two people, I believe. They are a couple. It is called 𝒩𝓆𝓾 or 𝒩𝓆𝓾. I'm not sure exactly how to say it. I hope I'm not butchering it, but they are the most adorable knot bags. And I will show you what I mean. So here, I guess it comes in this foil type bag. Oh my gosh, I am obsessed with this color. So here's the brand. Thank you for shopping with us. 𝒩𝓃 𝒩𝓆𝓾. Yaito. So cute. I got the green colorway. So what you do is you put the long end through the short end and there you have it. And it is a knot bag. Hold on, let's look at the interior before. So there's the label. The interior does fully come out. I believe these are all like hand sewed, but then what you do is you put the long end through the short end and you carry it like that. How cute is this? So I love anything bandana print with flames on it, camo, glitter, sparkle. Those are like my favorite prints, cherries. But I love bandana print and I don't have a lot of green in my collection. So I thought this was the perfect color to add. I actually could not decide. He just did the cutest collaboration with 𝒩𝓆𝓏 and they did like a ombre tie-dye type colorway. They were so cute. I could not get my hands on one, but I definitely tried. So he did a restock on these basic colors on Black Friday. So I picked one of these up. I believe this costs around $140. I'll put whatever the price was up on the screen. But this is a nice, like quick little carry out bag, out to dinner, whatever. I'll show you what it looks like with my phone in it. There you go, fits perfectly. You could just totally put a card case, a lip gloss, whatever your essentials are in. You would want to pack it and then put the loop through, carry it on your arm or in your hand. Super cute. I'm loving this bag and I love this Kelly green color. I love Kelly green, cobalt blue, orange, yellow. I love all colors apparently, except for purple. I'm not a huge purple fan, not gonna lie, but pink is definitely my favorite color, followed by orange. But there you go. Super cute little contemporary designer brand. brand and also Black owned. Last but not least, let's get into my first STAUD bag. I think that's how you say it. If you watched my How to Save Money on Luxury Beauty, you will know that I participated in the Saks Beauty event where I spent $500 and I got a $75 gift card. I intended to not spend over that $75 and just, you know, basically get something for free, restock some hand soap, something like that. As I was browsing the site, I saw this STAUD bag. I have always wanted a STAUD bag. I think they're super cute contemporary designs, but I had never picked one up yet. This one was super unique and you'll see why when I open it, but here's the box. So this is from Saks. I want to say the bag was $350, $250. I'll put it up on the screen. I obviously used my gift card on it. So actually, I'm gonna tell you a tip here. I got the $75 gift card. I ordered this bag in September 17th, I believe. I used the $75 gift card. It turns out that this bag was a pre-order. It said that it was shipping at the end of October. Now, I ran into some difficulties. It didn't ship end of October, got extended to like end of November, but then when they went to process the order, my gift card had expired, the $75 gift card. And I called customer service and they basically said, you're shit out of luck because, and I was like, wait a minute, like I bought this, I paid for it, I thought I did, before the gift card expired, so why wouldn't you be able to apply the $75? And I had to like get a little pushy with Saks customer service because I was like, this isn't fair. Like I participated in the beauty event to get the $75 gift card. I spent it before it expired just because you guys didn't ship the item before it expired. Like anyways, don't use a gift card on pre-order items, especially if it has an expiration date. Lesson learned. I ended up getting my $75 back. So here we go. Saks Fifth Avenue, white paper with a black sticker. All right. Don't know if anyone has seen this bag yet. Can you kind of see underneath? Oh my God, it's so cute. Here's the plastic bag. It says STAUD. Don't know how to pronounce that brand. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Remember how I said I love bandana print? I also love yin yangs. This is so cute. Oh my gosh. I'm loving this. Okay, so it is a round bag. Take this off. Interesting handle shape there. It's a little off center. Might need a little forcing there. But it is a faux stamped croc yin yang bag. Oh my God, this is so cute. What do you guys think? Okay, the retail price was $350. Let's open it up. Okay, not bad, not bad. Ooh, very luxurious interior. It's like really soft. I can't tell if it's suede or microfiber, honestly, because it feels very high quality. Very spacious. There's the STAUD label inside. Just some tissue paper and some, you know, what do you call that? Oh, there's a dust bag in here. All right, here's a dust bag. And then this strap is connected by this plastic. I buy a lot of, you know, high-end traditional luxury brands that have been around for many, many years. What I classify as a contemporary designer brand is something that's come out, you know, in the last 20 years, let's say, or more. I don't know. I haven't put a full definition on it, but this is definitely a contemporary designer bag. $350 is still a lot of money, and this is not a necessity. It's definitely a luxury, but dude, this bag is so freaking cute. Here is the strap that came with it. Again, it is stamped croc. Looks like it has a good amount of length to it. So here's the two pieces on the side. Honestly, I feel like this bag is super cute as a top handle. There's some branding on it, and it definitely fits me crossbody, and it's not even on the last label, so, or the last hole. There's still 3 more holes, so this is definitely a plus size friendly bag. Also, I'm wearing this really cute sweatshirt from L&M that says balanced. It looks like Balenciaga. It's so cute. This is the biggest size. It fits perfectly. I love it. But yeah, this is my first STAUD bag. This is like a little ivory. It's not pure white. It's showing up bright white on camera, but it's definitely ivory. It's on both sides. What do you guys think of this bag? I think it's adorable. I don't know where I'm gonna put her, but I love it. One other thing I want to show you that I got for Christmas was this candle from Overose Paris. I've seen this candle on Sophie Choquette. I hope I'm not butchering her name. Awesome luxury YouTuber. She's talked about this candle before. I love like holographic things, and I saw this holographic candle and I really wanted it for my closet. My future sister-in-law got this for me as part of Secret Santa, and oh, I can smell it from here. I love rose scents, and what I can smell so far, this does have like a rose. Oh my God, it's so cute. Look at how cute this is. Okay, it definitely has a rose scent. So this is Nudesse. I don't know exactly how to say it. And it has this beautiful holographic jar. I think these are like $65. Super cute. I think that's everything that I have to unbox today. 2 contemporary designer bags, a little Kate Spade accessory, and oh, and my beautiful Swarovski earrings. So please tell me what you think about all of these recent purchases. Do you guys like collective hauls like this? I pick a lot of random stuff up that I don't necessarily show on my channel because obviously it's a lot to open everything on camera and get it all set up. But tell me if you guys like things like this. If you want to see any more details on any of the bags or anything that I have, let me know down below in the comments. I'm always open to video ideas. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you want to see more handbag, luxury, shopping content. I'm so happy to have you here. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye.